of you. Very good.
Good
Yes,
morning.
sorry, Mendel sir, our
Yes. No, no,
department
and
is
I'm
just now
also
not at
sorry
full
because I did
strength.
not see your message. Sorry, Masban sir, and
No,
sorry
no,
to
no
all of
worries.
you.
No,
Yes,
no,
yes.
no worries, no worries. Okay.
Yeah.
So, uh, uh, today we are not in full strength. Saima has gone to the, college for her this thing.
No
Saima has
problem. No problem.
for a cast. Then we also have Geeta who has some internet issues. And your favorite two bachas, Kyle and Neha, have gone for a medical checkup.
Oh
Okay.
my God.
They are flying. No, no, you know, na, they've got their university admission in University College of London. Their
Correct,
visa
correct, correct,
approval is
correct. Yeah.
now happening. Okay. So now
Mhm.
they fly abroad and they start their course in October.
Excellent, excellent. Very good.
Excellent. 1 year course in
I
education. And then we should catch them and make learn from them what they have learned. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so your department, my department, we all can probably even join. We can have a
Yes,
full
yes,
1 day webinar from both of them, three colleges put together. Na? How we did
yes,
our
yes. Excellent.
webinar
That was a
jointly to put.
fantastic.
Yes,
That was
that was
some,
a
like,
fantastic one.
God created sort of message, that time that we are going in for this. I was telling our principal also how
Correct.
we never knew that we were going in for this phase of digital and Zoom and all those things, and suddenly
Correct.
we managed to happen to have something, and
So
so much of insights we had to that time.
yes. And we did it at the last moment. Huh?
Absolutely. And
Yeah. And
I
then
mean,
lockdown got
I am
declared.
indebted to you, Mazban. You took the lead in that, and you put forth all. It was your this thing, ideas, and your this thing. You brought out the whole timetable for it, and I mean, you are the creator of it. That was something which was this thing. I was very happy because,
Thank
see,
you, thank you. But you did it so well.
yeah, I mean, I took the back seat, no
Implementation is
doubt.
very important.
Yeah. But I
Money is
wanted, it was
important.
my dream. It was my dream that something of this sort happens, and you made it through. That was something which was very great. Yeah.
Thank you, Mandesh. But all your work also you ran around to Jai Hind, got them to agree.
Yes.
Okay.
That was the
Yes. And
little bit I said I'll do.
yes.
Yeah.
And I loved it because even sister Ananda, the principal, and even Yasmin attended, although she was on the verge of retirement then,
Correct.
but
Correct.
she attended both the days full, every
Yes.
session. That was something
Absolutely.
fantastic. And when I came for that valedictory, I was like very shocked. She told me I attended. I just could not leave from this place.
Absolutely. And even
Yes,
our principal of Jai Hind also, he came in that initial session,
correct.
and Brijesh and
Yes,
all were
yes,
there on board, and it was so nice to see that, especially the young teachers benefited from this very much. I mean, we had to
yes.
take a back seat. You're in the midway through this, but the younger teachers have benefited from this. On my side, I see through leaps and bounds that they have done, and they have gone very this thing ahead of it. So we've sort of ignited it somewhere. We have put in the spark, and that has
Yes,
created a sort of a revolution that is there.
absolutely, absolutely.
Anyway,
So,
my
uh,
Maria and
thanks, Mandesh, for
Himanshu,
all the hard work.
in,
I mean, so many years you have been a part of our department almost. You came for each and every moderation. God knows. I mean, since
no,
I have joined in 98. Okay,
my
since I joined in 90.
yes, yes.
Yeah,
I was telling you the other day, I was just seeing my old file, and I could find numerous amounts of. I was just going nostalgically through all the files and seeing the things. And I found so many Xavier's, Saint Xavier's, this thing. But I was just once even funnily saying to when I used to come for the examination that one plaque should be kept there. That this is
I know,
Manchester.
I know. In
I used
the
to always remark.
yes, we
Remember?
always used to joke. Yes, and
Yeah.
even for practicals, CY practicals, you came year after year.
Yes. Yes.
Still,
Yes.
you got caught with the controller of examship, and
Correct.
then
Correct.
you
Correct.
became the chairperson at the university for
Yes.
MSc. So
No,
that's
my
what blocked you
association
towards the
with the
end.
department, initially was I when I joined Sophia College, I used to travel with Miskita sir.
Shank. Acha,
No,
Miskita.
Miskita
Okay.
sir from Malad.
Okay.
I that time was a
Ah,
young boy. I'm just giving some of my anecdotes. I used to
ah,
jump in at Malad station And sir also used to be there, and he used to go to Xavier's College, and I used to go to Sophia. Sir used to come from Evershan, and then he used to always tell me, Ari Mendes, wake me up at Mahalakshmi. Both of us used to have a nice shoes from Malad, come almost to Marine Lines, and then he used to say, wake me up and keep me of this thing, because I used to go ahead and I used to get down at Grant Road, he used to go to Marine Lines. So that was some very early memories which I had with the department. And then Hoshang and the whole lot of Potness Madam and all these people, I've interacted so well with them, all of them. Then Avaldar sir, Freddy, then all I mean, if I pardon me for missing some of the names. I mean, I have really great times with Hoshang sir. As an examiner, I can never forget
Yes.
that anecdote where we betted each other in Siddharth College as when the lab assistant will get up. It was really something very enjoyable. I
And he never
enjoyed.
got up.
He never got up. He said, Mendes, now you forget about this. हम लोग practical चालू कर लेंगे and we will do the things. So that was another good experience which I had with him. And I mean, coming to Xavier's was like my home. I mean, I learned a lot of things from St. Xavier's College. That is a very this thing, because you guys had gone earlier into the helm of the autonomous things, and I got that flavor and I got the thing, the ropes. I learned a lot of things from all the things which you were doing at. I mean, you were doing it professionally in a great way, and it was always to take off one leaf from your the this thing and to imbibe it in our this thing. And I found that there is a great amount, to the youngsters who are there in your group, there's a great amount of dedication and discipline in your department. That is something which is great. Especially it was to be shown always in the time of the examination, whenever I used to correct the papers, and I mean, very meticulously used to set up things. Pralad and all these guys, Ashma and all, keeping everything ready for me, and I used to come there and finish in matter of minutes, finish up the work and all that thing. And all, even in the practicals, things were set up so well. The even the papers, the skills which you all used to prepare those slips and all those things, even the board of studies which I seen very professionally set up the whole thing, your panel display, your students and all those things. I mean, it was a touch of class. It was a touch of class which I really enjoyed. And even I'll tell you a small anecdote also. I had a little interaction when my first refresher course was there. The that time my first refresher course was along with apna Fraser. And that time
Oh,
Fraser,
acha.
yeah, that was my first interaction with the actual, not a say chemistry staff member, but a staff member from Xavier's. And we started our refresher course at, I think it was the university, and Fraser was there along with me. And then we were just, I never knew that he was a priest at all at that time. For the major part of the whole refresher course, right up to the day when the function was being organized for a cultural. And that day, then they said, okay, chalo, we'll have the world this week. There was a program like how this Pranay Roy does the program. So the world this week program was, we asked Fraser that what you will like to become. And he said, okay, Mendes, you become Parkar sir, you will become something. And he became some big, important leader in the program. And he brought his guitar on the last day and he started strumming lovely songs and all that thing. And we used to say, Arey, ye kar, wo kar, and bindas. We never knew. Like, suddenly I saw the cross on his kurta. And that gave me this thing indication that he's a priest. Then I withdrew from him by sort of very casual behavior towards him. And then I said, Hare, father, he's a father and all that. But he never displayed any sort of this thing. He was so blended and so humble and such a great person. And till today, I was that day also seen him when he said the mass with Father Stan, for Father Stan ceremony. Arun and he was there. Arun also was in chemistry, correct? A lot of
Correct,
things,
correct.
yes. So even I can remember Father Roy also from this thing. I mean, great stalwarts in your department, which were this thing. I hope those traditions and all those. I mean, Roy was a great musician, something which I loved. And also, I loved Zach. That was something I always used to always promote my students. I learned a lot of Zach, and then we started a chem club in Sophia College later on. But it was a great thing to have interaction
Yes.
of students of
In
Sophia's.
fact, I remember the first ZAC intercollegiate test that we had. You were the you were the chief guest for the valedictory function, and you declared the winner and all those things. So I still remember that day.
No, and also I would say, these
Okay, it was in the evening we had called you.
correct, correct. And also,
Correct. Yeah.
Mazban, your department has great this thing in bringing up the students. The students who used to come from BSc to MSc to us. I mean, they were really dedicated and hardworking and great. The way you used to imbibe into them the culture of working. I used to love to take Saint Xavier students as MSc students for us. Okay, today, I mean, today also, yesterday, I just came to know that Kevin got a job. Kevin got a job in IPCA,
Yes.
Kandivali, after finishing MSc. I mean, I was thrilled for them. All these students, even Vinu went abroad. Many of them went abroad. All exemplary students,
Yes.
which were
Vinu must be about to finish his PA now.
correct. I mean, I liked their dedication. Once I knew that it was a Saint Xavier student and all, and in the Viva when we used to, I mean, in the interview when we used to just interview them, they used to bring in their best. That is what I had noticed. I said, we are very grateful to get this pool of Saint Xavier students from this thing. But I hope and I wish and my prayer is there, Mazban, that you start something in PG, something down the line
Yes.
somewhere.
Yes. It is
Yes.
all in the pipeline. If not for the pandemic, we would have gone hammer and tongs. Okay.
Hmm.
But also we want to start it very well. So I mean, we are buying a little time so that we plan it well and go ahead in a great way. Because our aim is not to give a normal MSc degree, something which is highly industrially recognized, like
Absolutely.
trains the students in the right skills. Okay,
That is the
so we
word is
want
skill.
to,
Skill is more
yes,
important.
yes. So that's why, because see, the worry is that we are towards an economy which is growing very well, but then unfortunately it's a jobless economy. So people are not going to get jobs. The number of jobs being cut down, even in pharmaceutical industries, all the mid manager level jobs, okay, technically are all vanishing slowly and steadily.
No, that is why I
So
was
we
just
have to
telling you
take
the
a
other day
few.
also. Yeah, yeah. Say,
Yeah,
say.
say you tell us.
Ye- Nay, I was just saying you that you asked me, sir, why you are retiring and why you don't want to teach further. The basic thing was that only because, as you said, jobs. I would like someone to replace me and start teaching and getting back into this profession, which we really require dedicated teachers. That is also industry as well as academics, and especially physical chemistry teachers is something which is a rare breed. We would like to have some very good teachers coming up, joining in this thing, and the employment scenario which is going so scary. We are turning in a lot of MSCs, we are turning in a lot of these things. I mean, students, but they should be and rightfully get their place in jobs. So somewhere down the line, we have to make way. And I have decided that I will call it quits. That's what I said. The moment I finish my mission and I finish my tenure, I will make way and I will give the opportunity for the next person to this thing. Yeah.
Correct. Sir. So thank you for giving opportunity to young people. In fact, this is something very noble. I never thought this when I asked you, okay, are at least continue till the end of the semester.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes. You
Yes,
many
yes.
no, even the principal Marzu was asking me that please continue for 6 months and go in the month of October, but I said no. I said, see, it is my conscience which tells me that it is time I should make way, and rightfully so. There are so many students, and teachers and all who keep on calling me, sir, is there a vacancy? Is there a vacancy? Is there some appointment somewhere I can find? So I said, no, it is high time that we make way for them and we get them, nurture them, bring them up in the right, let them learn the right ropes and groom them into some good teachers. That is what I felt
Correct.
in
Correct.
that respect.
And
Yeah.
enjoyed your
And
stint
I'm
as a
also want to
controller of
hear
exam
from
also.
Prahlad and Ashma. Yes, yes. Control of examination was a great stunt working with you, Marzu. I enjoyed. I used to come just barge into your cabin without any sort of formalities and say, Chal, Marzu, tell me this. What is this? How we used to exchange ideas and all that thing. Even with Hoshang earlier. And I was very happy that you came in that place and sort of this thing took up this. But for 2 years, it was quite a nightmare. Then after that, I said, "Chalo, let me move out from this," and then I put it on to Yasmin, who then continued. Hi, Ashma.
Hi, sir.
How's life?
Life is fine. I was just listening the nice things which you were telling about our college, and I was wondering, it is your day.
Yes. No, no, no.
Uh,
I have great memories, and even a 13 and 15 minute, I love to talk. That Barsu knows. And
I know, no, that
I
is
can
fine.
I can
But
share my
actually,
ideas with all of you. You all people have been so helpful and so cooperative, as I always say. Even in my MSc, when I was the chairman, and even when I used to come to autonomous college like your college, I mean, so much love, affection, and so much cooperation you have shown to me.
Ende sir, allow us to say some good things about you.
Yes, they say, please say. No, that day, Marzusa, picked up the phone. My dirty habit is I picked up the phone and I called the person in Chimplun. And then I said, "Hello, Baba, kaise ho tum log? Kahan hai? Kasa hai?" Because
Uh,
lots of flood situation. It reminded
yes.
me, Marzu, of that practicals which I had in July. Remember? Never in my life I had taken a practical exam.
I know. Yes, yes.
Come, Ashwa, say.
Yes, yes, yes. Now, Mendes sir, as everybody can see, he is such a down to earth and humble person. That is one thing which I would say. Even after being extremely senior, he has never ever shown that, okay, he's senior or he'll behave like that. Never in his life he has done that. He has come to our college as an examiner, external examiner, as moderator, but he has ensured that he makes everybody feel at ease. And each and every expert who has worked under you, Mendes sir, has felt that comfort level. I must say that I have worked under you as an expert, so I know you. I was listening to you about yours and Hoshang's experience, which you always have shared. And the same feeling I get from Hoshang. Two of you are such people from whom we can learn a lot. And that one thing is, though you have said that yes, our department has, our non-teaching staff as well as teaching staff, we have a good way of working. But at the same time, both you and Hoshang sir were one of very few people who could manage things even without having anything at all. So that was one thing very, very great, that we cannot be finicky about things. We cannot be all the time demanding things from others. We have to do things in whatever we have. And you used to manage such excellent job. So I must say that. And I tell you, you have such a gentle approach towards each and everybody, and you have really guided everyone so well. Mendes sir, it's all thanks to you. I'm telling you, I think even Marzu sir agrees. Even whoever has worked, whether it is Prahlad or Abhilasha, I'm not sure about Himanshu, whether Himanshu has worked as an expert under you, but yes, he must have been your
He
student.
must, yes, yes, yes.
Yes,
Himanshu has,
even Maria.
I've had
So
the opportunity with interacting
yes,
with him.
yes, yes. Even during moderatorship, if some mistake is there, you used to tell it very nicely, never ever making other person feel uncomfortable about it. And it's in your nature that you have this thing that you always praise others. You try to bring in the best points in others. Kyle and Neha, my God, how they love you. They
Great
really
guys,
love
great
you.
guys. Great guys. Kyle and
Yes,
Neha,
yes,
great
yes.
guys. Yeah, can never
And
forget.
I would say Marzu sir is also the way you all are. Uh, One thing which is common in all of you is whatever said and done, you people are always there to help out others. That is one common thing which I have seen in all of you, and we all must learn that. We all must learn that. All of you are humble. So that is really, it's really appreciated. So I'm done. Thank you so much,
Thank you,
Mendes sir.
Ashma, for those great words.
So
I mean,
my
continue.
first experience with Mendes in the university, when we went for paper correction. Okay, so I went for the paper correction on the first day at around 10 o'clock. Okay, and like I looked around, there must be some 5-6 people correcting physical chemistry papers, but Mendes sir was very much sitting on one side and correcting at a high rate, and like just focused in his papers, no looking here and there. Okay, So I went and Mendes sir, how are you and all those things. And I asked him, what time did you come? He told me, I've come at 8:15. I said, wow, 8:15. Okay. And coming from Grant Road, coming from Sophia College, going to Grant Road, then reaching the university at 8:15. If we reach, that means we had left very early in the morning. Okay. And then, I mean, the way the papers were corrected by them were absolutely immaculate. Like there is no one could replicate it, and also at the pace at which it was corrected. So we used to always joke that if you want to learn how to correct papers, okay, fairly at a great rate, sit next to Mendes.
Correct.
Yeah.
Look at him how he's correcting, and even a water break. Okay, we would all just get up every 45 minutes and take a water break, go to the washroom. Okay, chit chat with 100 people. Mendes would be like his break would be after 2 hours, and that too his chit chat will be very little less. Hi, bye, yeah, go, and then he'll go in his papers. Okay, so I used to always say that as long as Mendes is there, he's taking away all our burden of correcting the papers and correcting them well without any mistakes, without any problems. Okay. There is no moderator who could point out any mistake in any paper that Mendes did. Then obviously Mendes sir went on to become the chairperson, paper setter, chairperson. And again the papers which he had said, by that time we had become autonomous. But the university papers which I saw were very well balanced. Okay, provoking students to think, and that is what is required in a true education. Okay, so even the papers that were set were really really good, and not out of the blue those universities out of the run of the mill university papers. So I mean you have done a fantastic job, Mendes sir, for the entire bunch of students that you taught, and not you taught, even university students overall. Okay, and again one more thing, when Ashma and I used to write paper one in TY, fifth semester as well as sixth semester, invariably, I can vouch for this, that between our correction and correction, there was never a difference of more than 2 marks.
Correct. Absolutely.
Okay, and most marks, like 80% of the students, were exactly the same,
Absolutely.
absolutely the same. Okay,
In the double
so
blank, in the
I would
double
really
blank, the
wonder
papers
because
which
that
you used to
that
send
kind of,
Yes.
me.
yeah, and the double blind, yes, yes, it never happened that the marks differed. Okay, and that is really really great. So, and it has not happened for any other course. So, like as a controller of exam, I have checked out marks of each and every course in the college, and it would vary quite a bit. Like sometimes 5 marks, sometimes even to the tune of 10 marks. But like your correction, our correction, absolutely matched.
And no, I never
Okay,
had the
so
inhibition.
that
I
is,
used to
and
just
then always I have to tell him that,
I used to pick
yeah,
up the phone and just call up
yeah,
Ashma. I used to call up you and just say, this question is this thing. What do you expect as the answer? I remember Ashma. I used to just call up you on the phone and say, and then I said, what do you expect in this answer? And then immediately you should tell me. And I used to get the feel that I expect an answer like this. And I mean, we were very free about it. Nobody had, as Ashma said, nobody used to think like, I'm great and you're not, I'm knowing it, you're not knowing it. We were just free and bindas. Like, we used to exchange our right. That was something which was great working with you in that respect. Yeah, continue, Mazu.
yes. So then that is it. And then I loved your anecdotes with Madam Turel in during your PhD days at Institute of Science, because that is one thing which an institution which we share common. Okay, even
Yes.
Prahlad was, by the way, from Institute of Science. Okay, so that was fantastic. So some of those anecdotes were very great. So you can share some of them with us now.
Yes. And Prahlad also would like to say something, or you want me to say about the
No, no. I just wanted to say yes, yes,
yes, institute
yes.
was a great place, to, and even Turel madam, even all said and done. I mean, I've been really indebted to be working with her. Even right now in these days, I just remember in the pandemic days also, I have never seen a guide like Turel in all my life. The 10 guys who were working with her, and the culture of the Institute of Science at that point of time when we were students when it was formerly called the Royal Institute of Science, was totally different. I mean, though the guides sometimes used to have some interaction or something between themselves, but when the guides used to go off, all students we used to meet. That day also, when I went to CAS, it didn't, my mind did not go off from Ravi. I went for CAS to this college in uh, Khalsa College. And then suddenly something came about Board of Studies, and something thing came about, and I just had a flashback, and I said, I just can't forget about Ravi Deshmukh. Whenever he used to come to the Board of Studies meeting and bring in lot of these things, and I knew him as a student and a colleague from the Institute of Science. And we used to quarrel about chemistry topics. And he used to say, no, I would like to have them in inorganic chemistry. And I used to pull them in physical chemistry in TYBS. So we had a seesaw sort of this thing, battle between the nuclear chemistry topics and all. But Turel was a great disciplinarian and great this thing. I mean, she took meticulously work from us, no doubt, but it brought in sort that thing rubbed onto me in such a way that it made me to work with that amount of dedication. That is what and that is how I passed it on. As you were saying, sitting for 2 hours, I can still, even if the lab was dirty, madam used to take the broom in her hand and sweep. That is something which I had imbibed that thing. So even when anything is gone wrong in my chemistry department, this thing, I used to never hesitate. I said, de mala mi karto hai. That sort of thing is, and when they see that the head of the department is doing something, they used to pull it out from my hand. They used to pull. I learnt it from her at the institute. They used to pull it out from me, and they said, sir, me madad karto. And as I told you, the chemistry, the teaching as well as the non-teaching department, we were like a family. I used to always use this word family. For me, like everybody, जो भी नीचे से ऊपर है, आज है, पहला दिन है तुम्हारा, 1 साल है. I should never say that you are senior, तुम junior college के लिए, to this, सबरी एकत्र, everybody has to work together. एकत्र आम्ही एक कुटुंब आहे, आणि कुटुंब सारखं आपण ते काम पुढे करायचं. That is what was my this. Even now also for my seniors, as I said, please don't leave these traditions of being a family. Small squabbles will be there, small these things will be there. Just forget about it. When it comes to the work and that this thing, put your right foot forward and take the department to greater heights. That is something. I'm leaving it at the stage. As I said, 10 years down the line, I started MSc. But to begin the course is, I mean, easy little, but to sustain the course and to bring quality to the course, I've told them not to compromise anything, not to compromise with reference to evaluation, not to compromise with reference to syllabus, not to compromise for taking experiments. I said, be dedicated, be devoted, take every damn experiment, even if it is to be done online, offline, and see that you put your best friend forward and sustain, even if we have 10 students, but see that you give quality for money. That is important. We are taking so much of money from the students, but if we are not somehow giving them the quality for that, we as teachers have failed. That is what I felt.
Absolutely correct. Yes. So that's a good message from Mendes sir for our youngsters. Okay. I will even, we are recording this. So we will even pass it to our department faculty who is not here, unfortunately. Okay.
प्रल्हाद,
So
तुला काय
thank you,
बोलायचं
Mendes.
होतं बेटा?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, Prahlad
Yeah.
has helped me with all my moderation and correction work. I remember the last paper I sent to his house. Remember, Prahlad?
Yes, yes. I remember.
Yes.
So I'm extremely thankful to you, sir, for giving me the opportunity to work as an examiner, to work as a moderator, paper setter. We have taken a lecture, lots of lectures in RUIA, if you remember.
Yes.
Okay. So thanks for everything. I've learned a lot from you. Okay. I remember in my second year in Xavier's, Freddy sir gave me that physical chemistry paper. I think Marju sir remember.
Correct.
Second year only.
Yes,
So
yes.
yeah. So I was taking nuclear chemistry. So I still remember in fifth semester only, you called me that to discuss some questions with me, and there were lots of insights and
Correct.
lots of guidance from your side. So now people like you, and you already mentioned about Ravi Deshmukh sir. I'm also missing him a lot. Really, it's a great loss to the teaching fraternity. So people like you all, I've learned a lot. So thanks for everything, sir, and lots of wishes for your good health,
Thank you.
peaceful life, peaceful retired life. Now you have to enjoy this life because you
Correct.
worked a lot. Okay, so thanks a lot and best wishes.
Yeah, thank you, Prahlad, and best of
No,
luck to you, Prahlad.
I don't think we are going to let you retire, Mendes. Okay, we will call you up every time we need
No,
guidance.
I'm most willing. I'm most
Okay,
willing. I love
yes,
to do. Yeah, that is
yes,
something.
we will ask you to even curate some of our courses, some of our syllabi. Okay, before we officially send it for the board of studies. Okay,
Yeah,
so we'll definitely do that, Mendes.
yes. But I would
Okay,
like Xavier's,
so
Saint Xavier's to get to the higher height, gets to the next step. That is my aim. That you know,
definitely,
in
definitely,
all colleges growing like this, we become much more stronger, and we can share
yes.
better ideas, and which can take our levels much more higher as we cooperate with each other.
Yes. So with your blessings and your motivation will definitely make it happen.
Thank you. Thank you. God bless. God bless to all of you. And all the best to all of you, the youngsters, Abhilasha, Maria,
Thank you,
Nikila,
sir.
Imanshu, Manik.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
you are in a good team with Marzu sir guiding you. He's very dynamic.
Yes,
As I
sir.
see him, yeah, he has a very strong head on his shoulders, and he will guide you all the way through this. And you have a good team. That is important. And always consider yourselves to be a family. That is what is important in that thing. That is the way you carry yourselves, and that is you can bring the best in all of you yourselves. Okay, all those petty things will be there in life. Just brush them aside under the carpet, and just think with one aim as to how we can work and make the chemistry department go stronger and stronger. My best wishes. Bye.
Thank you for the lovely message, Mendes sir.
Thank
Thanks,
you,
Mendes
thank you,
sir.
thank you,
Bye.
Mendes
Thank
sir.
Take
you, sir.
care.
Bye
Thank you,
bye.
sir.
Bye
Care.
bye.
Thank you,
Take
Thank you
care.
sir.
and God
Thank
bless.
you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks, Marja sir.
Yeah. Bye. Can
Thank you.
leave
Bye
now?
bye, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes,
Okay. Bye.
yes.
Bye. Have a
And
nice day.
stay
All
in
of
touch,
you have a
sir.
nice day.
Yes. And one more thing. Mendes sir's birthday is on 31st
Yes,
July.
that is
And
Happy
I
that is
think
a
Oh,
that
it's
very
is
birthday.
very
important thing.
important day.
oh, it's with me.
Very, very
That is a very
important day
important.
for us
I was very envious that
at
I
the
was in a
college. It's
college where
Ignatius
my
Feast.
birthday was celebrated by St. Xavier's College.
Yes,
When
yes.
St. Xavier's College has a holiday, but I don't have a holiday. That was
We are
something which
again
is.
celebrating this year also we are celebrating.
Oh, my best
Yes.
wishes to all of you, and may the spirit of the Jesuits as well as St. Ignatius be with all of you to guide you in all your future endeavors.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye.
Best
Bye.
wishes, sir. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye. Bye.
Bye,
God
sir.
bless. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Yeah. Don't worry. This is not the final bye, sir. We'll always be in touch. Chalo, good. So we can continue with our discussion.
Yes.
Yes. Lovely person. And he really helped the college out in multiple ways. And he was always there as a pillar with us. So that's why I thought of inviting him. And he always has a very positive message.
He's
Okay.
a great human being,
So
Yes.
sir.
yeah.
He's
So
a great human
that
being.
is most important. Yes. And a motivator. I mean, he has supported each and every teacher in the Bombay University. Okay, whenever paper corrections happen, even I remembered George sir of SIES. George sir in college used to initially teach inorganics, but obviously his love was for physical, and he was a physical chemist. So he wanted to take paper correction for physical chemistry. So literally, he used to sit next to Mendes and asking the chalo now this answer is like this. Tell me how many marks I should give in your opinion. So he also picked up from there, and then again later on he also went on to become the paper setter and chairman for the paper correction and everything. So someone who picked up a cue from Mendes went on to become so high. Yes.